Welcome back to the channel, family and friends. If you're new here, welcome. I'm heading to the car wash. As you can see, my car is overdue and need a thorough wash down and clean up. I'm telling you, I let this car get out of hand, and you know what, it cannot go another day without getting a good cleaning. So what I'll be doing here first, I'll be getting this car washed up, and then I'll be heading over to Home Depot to buy myself some flowers, because I'll be doing a little planting in my backyard. Not much, just a little bit. So just stay tuned and enjoy the video, fam.
And when you go, I will fall back apart. Find pieces of me all over the yard. In this house of cards, she says, hey man, there were just too many days. When our good intentions only got in the way. And I almost never know what I should say. Maybe nothing nowhere ever was that okay. In this house of cards, with only hearts. Reap what you never did sow. You cannot learn what you never won't know. In this house of cards, with only hearts. In this house of cards, and these lonely hearts.
One step forward, two steps.
Now we have the car washed. Now we are at Home Depot, and I'm telling you, I'm trying to get myself maybe 2 or 3 flowers to put into 2 flower pot. I don't want any flowers that is delicate, because when they're delicate, they die easily. I want something that is sturdy and will last a long time, so I don't have to keep re-buying flowers over and over. So I'm just gonna get myself 2 or 3 hearty plants, and then I'll head home and I'll take you guys with me to see how I plant up these flowers. So continue watching the video and remember to hit the like button because I know you'll be loving this video.
Summer's over, still getting nowhere, yeah. If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah. One step forward, 2 steps backwards, yeah. Time's about run out to use those big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me, yeah.
Okay guys, as you can see, I'm back home from Home Depot and I'm so ready for today. I have this bag over here with some dirt that was left over a few months ago. So what I'll be utilizing these leftover dirt in the flower pot, and then I'll be start planting those flowers that I buy from Home Depot. I'm telling you, they have so many options. I almost lost my mind in the garden section. I'm telling you, it's so much different type of flowers you can pick, choose and refuse. So let's start cleaning up and getting the dirt out of this container here, this plant container behind me, and then I'll be start planting the flowers that you see I put in the cart.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't dare to say, do you feel the same way? Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you, so maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. same way, then don't pretend that everything's okay. Don't string me along the way you do. Just let me get over you. Maybe you don't wanna know, but you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No. Maybe you don't see what you have in front of you. Or maybe I'm not enough for you. So maybe I should go. If I had known from the start, this wouldn't have ended with broken hearts. 'Cause I don't wanna waste my time. No, I don't wanna waste my time. No, no, I don't wanna waste my time.
As you can see, I'm weeding out all the extra grass from out of the flower pot, and then I will be planting the flowers in this flower pot. First, I'm also gonna be getting some dirt to put in it, so I'm just loosening up the dirt and getting organized to plant my flowers. It's easy to plant flowers, you know. Even if you never plant flowers before, just watch what I'll be doing. It's super easy. And if you never plant flowers before, I'll teach you today how to plant flowers. So continue watching, and also again, hit the like button because I know you're loving this video, okay?
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night. I'll count to 10.
You see how easily it is to plant flowers? You just watch what I'm doing step by step, and I'm making my backyard beautiful and nice for the upcoming summer. Because you know what? We love to sit outside and have a nice little snack or drink and look at the plants. We don't want to just sit in the backyard and we don't have any plants to look at. Some people don't like plants, but I grew up in a home like this where I see my mother always planting flowers. Again, some people just don't like plants, but I love to see plants. It beautify the home and it make the home so warm and cozy. It's kind of warm today, but that's fine with me because you know what? This kind of weather keep me going and keep me, in the mood so I can get the planting done. Not too windy, but a little bit hot, but it's okay. I can work with that. So I'm just getting the flowers all planted up, as you can see, and the backyard will be looking nice. I'm telling you, this backyard will definitely be popping this upcoming summer.
One step forward, two steps backward, yeah. You're much a lover who don't use big words, yeah. I don't need commenting at all because I know what I want. I don't need convincing at all because I know what I want. Baby, dig deep, it's time to make a move on my heart. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show me? I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low. Think it's time you let me know. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love
I'm just giving you guys a close-up look at my pine tree right here. It's blooming, not almost blooming, it's blooming. And I hope this pine is gonna be sweet because the last time I planted the pine into this container, it was sweet, but not that sweet. So I hope this one will be sweet. Because you know what? I love a pineapple when it's sweet, especially when you put it in the fridge. Cut it up, put it in the fridge, and it's nice and chill and cold to eat on a hot summer day. That's how I love my pineapple. Let me guys know how you guys love to eat your pineapple. Do you like to have it cut up, put in the refrigerator, or you just peel it and eat it just like that? I like mine well cold. Let me know your opinion and comment down below and let me know.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got it? Our lines crossed. We're wasting time on stuff that doesn't really matter, while wishing for something better. I try to fix things that weren't broken, misunderstandings and words unspoken. We fall apart and I won't.
Okay guys, we're moving right along. I also picked up these lights here from Home Depot. I didn't show you guys when I picked them up, but I just picked up two, and I'll be just placing these two here in these flower pot right here. They are solar, so you know it works with battery, and the sun warm it up, and then it gives that nice glow color at nighttime. And also it turns into different color. You can set it, but for right now I'm just sticking them in so it gets some sun on it, and maybe in a next video I'll show you guys how it look at nighttime. So I hope they work. So you know, I never buy this kind before. I see them and they were only like $12.99, and I decided, I said, let me give them a try and see how it turned out. So I hope it worked and I hope I like them. So you know, this is what I'm doing here. Hope it turns out nice as the way I would love it to be. And just like that, the flowers is planted, looking good and is looking fresh. I sprinkle it with a little bit of water, and it's coming together nicely. So if you never plant flowers before, this video will show you how to plant flowers. And here is the next one over here. Here we have it here. It's this one have some small little ants in it. Let me know what you use if you have ants in your flower pot. and also this one here. So there we come to the end of a video. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye guys.